So we going to this craft festival, right? The craft fair, right? That grandma's at selling their little craft. And Kai too, because Kai's always like, you never post me in your video. We're about to go there and surprise them with $5 million. $5 million. Oh, they got a spooky moon bounce. Happy Halloween. Enough of that shenanigans, y'all. Let's go see grandma at the craft fair. Oh, it's all them old ladies in there. I thought about that before I turned the camera on. But yeah, it would be kind of funny if like you walked in there and it's just like a whole bunch of like old ladies with like cigarettes, rolling dice, shooting each other. Old ladies, old ladies, old ladies. Wait, are you Kai Crafts?
Yeah.
No freaking way. Check out Kai's Crafts if you guys want to scan this code and send her some cash. Are you Danik Creations?
Yes, I am.
Oh my gosh. If you want to get some sick crafts, check them out. Look at that. You want a little dog paw bracelet? Danik Creations. You want a regular bracelet? Danik Creations. If you want a custom poop bag? Danik Creations.
Hey, don't forget the leashes.
If you want a custom leash? Danik Creations. If you guys want wallets, wristlets, hand warmers, these things are great. Danik Creations. Have no fear. Cold hands are for we got ourselves a nice hand. Guess what? Oh, my wallet. Put it in the pocket in the front. You know where you can get these guys at? Danik Creations. What is that?
Oh, look.
He's like, yeah.
Yeah.
This thing's crazy.
Nike boy.
Alright, you guys, so we just had a little sneak peek on the inside of there, just to come by and say hi. But Bubsy got all the love from the old ladies. They was like, hi, Bubba.
I will kill you.
She go Kai's Crafts if you want.
It means no worries. I will kill you.
Alright, we're going back in to get Bubsy's hat. We didn't record it because it was too crazy. All the old ladies were just trying to murder us.
Getting stuff for the baby.
Yeah, I think we like that hat.
Which one you like?
The blue one she put on him. This one? Yeah, this one I guess. Yeah, it says 6.
All right, for this little baby. $6.
Here you go.
Oh.
Six macaroons. Oh, you guys are all together? Well, thank you, ladies.
You're welcome. We're so glad you brought the baby.
No problem. We're glad you got to try out your stuff.
Where's the baby?
Oh,
you get
we got it.
Gretchen. We so glad. Thank you. The baby hat.
Wee wee. Wee wee, Bubsy. Oh, he look kind of fresh for real.
Well, I mean, everybody likes cookies.
A few moments later.
So we didn't end up really filming much except for the donkeys. We're at the lab of Grandma. Let's check her out. She's in here. Okay, so I got inspired by Danik Creations herself. So what we did, we went out to Joanne Fabrics.
That was my idea.
Oh, well, it was her idea, but we got inspired. And she found this thing, what was it, on TikTok?
Yeah.
To make a blankie. And we're gonna make a blankie, you guys. It's gonna be so fun. So this is Kayla's stuff right here. And apparently, and then this is mine. You're supposed to just pick.
The end off of it.
Alright, we have Grandma Productions here. She's gonna show us how to cut, okay?
Okay, hold on a minute. Yes, I need to stand up.
And you need to twerk it out, baby. Wait, do that again, Grandma.
This is the most childish blanket I've ever seen in my life. Children are out here having children.
I was gonna sneeze, but it didn't come out. OCD people have only that. Alright. Now it's time to do it! Tik-Tok tie blanket. Time lapse of the Tik-Tok tiggity tie blanket. So basically what you do is you cut about 3 inches off each little square, and then you just do tie them up, and yeah. So we're gonna do that time lapse edition coming up next.
Hey bitch, I'm top of my league. The hell you topping and tang. I seen this shit in my dreams. Nothing really what it seems.
First row down, baby. Now we gotta tie them.
The reefer, edgy la hope that I'm evil. I'm in the car like a cleaver, yeah. Gucci don't ride on my side.
You see this, you guys? I can't can't do it. I mean, this honestly should be like something very simple, but it's literally driving me insane. Knots and not cutting and knots. So we have to have, I'm not giving up. I mean, I'm just taking a little breather until this whole thing's done. But I passed the torch to Grandma. I showed her how to get everything done, and she's gonna help me out a little bit. So
Here I am.
she got her nice little grandma seat, and now it's time to get crazy.
Thank you. Open it.
Oh, you don't have the thing for the tip? Not change, the receipt to sign?
Well, I can give him a tip. Just tell him to hold
Oh.
on 1 second.
Do you wanna check out the pizza? No. We got a pizza right here.
No, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Here you go. Thanks,
So
buddy.
much. Open it. Thank you.
Yep. In a world of tying pizzas and knots together, Kayla, Grandma, baby. Tie knots that good. I'm not a good knot tire.
I already knew you were gonna quit. I should have made a bet to see how long it took you.
I did a good bit of stuff.
You wouldn't have got paid.
And then there was one.
And then there was one. Finishing up, grandmother, Dana Creations. I'm gonna post her links in the description below. If you guys wanna buy some handmade stuff, go check it out. Yeah, baby. And if you wanna buy some of my merch too.
Oh yeah.
And don't forget,
And crusty
if you
crabs.
want little
And crusty crab. Crusty. Dang, she said your crap is crusty.
crusty cat.
What? He's just.
Like, what in the is going on? Oh, who said that? Stop cussing in front of that baby.
Isn't that song copyright?
Wait, for the finale. Cause I'm happy, clap along if you feel happiness while the truth. Alright guys, for the reveal.
Set it up right there.
Alright you guys, final.
Alright.
Alright you guys, so this is the blanket we just made. Grandma and Kayla just made. I mean, I cut a couple things, so. Yeah?
Show yours.
This is my side.
Oh, pizza man.
And it's so thick and cozy for everybody. Yeah! Thanks for watching the video. Shout out to Dana Creations and Kayla Creations. Pizza, it's my favorite. Comment, rate, subscribe. Check out Grandma's shop in the description below. And keep it sweet and cool, you guys.
3 hours later.
Do-do-do.